You guys are probably wondering why I'm showing you guys these pretty flowers, because they definitely have nothing to do with my crop. But I wanted to show you something pretty before I go off into my crop, which is rapeseed. You guys are probably wondering, what did I just say? Did I really say rapeseed? Yes, rapeseed. Rapeseed really actually exists, and one of the most common forms of rapeseed is canola oil, which I'm pretty sure we all know about. It originated in China, India, the center of diversity of the Himalayan region. The climate that rapeseed grows well in is drained soil. It prefers a pH between 5.5 and 8.3, and it grows in different seasons such as fall, spring, and winter, and different varieties call for different needs depending on the different seasons that it grows in. Next off, I'm going to talk to you guys more about the production of rapeseed. The 5 main top production areas include European Union, China, Canada, India, and Australia. Inputs that we put into the grapeseed for it to grow are phosphorus, fertilizer, potassium, and sulfur. Trephon is also one of the only herbicides registered in the U.S. that can be used in the canola. Then I'm going to tell you guys more about the harvesting and the planting of rapeseed. You can plant this in March, around April, or you can harvest, and then you can harvest them in August and September. You know it's ready to harvest when it's brown and swollen. This is probably important if you guys want to know, like, this is the rapeseed. It's actually not as ugly as it sounds. There are different varieties of it, which include Andor, Global, Hyola, Regent, and Topaz. There's also a lot of other varieties, but these are just some of the more common ones. Rapeseed actually used for a lot of things. You can use the leaves, stems, and roots for many different purposes. Some use it for food, some use it for medical reasons. So I'll elaborate more on that later. Now I'm going to talk to you guys more about the transportation processing of rapeseed. The processing includes 2 steps: the physical pressing of the rapeseed and the subsequent hexing extract of the remaining of the press cake. Processing can be done by farmers who buy it to feed their animals, corporations for biodiesel, and people like us who want to cook with oil. The largest consumers include European Union, China, India, Canada, and Japan. To further expand on transportation and processing, some of the foods that derive from rapeseed are mustard, canola, oil, honey, and some non-food product uses include lamp oil, plastic manufacturing, and the biodiesel industry, which is very common in the European nations. It is transported by the agricultural tractors, trailers, and commercial vehicles. Its packaging depends on whether you're packaging oil or you're packaging the seed. For the oil, you would store it in tanks and barrels, and then for the seeds, you would store it in metal bins. Next off, I'm going to talk to you guys about the nutritional values of rapeseed. Why is this important? The same reason why it's important to eat muffins and get your fruit and stuff like that. It's also important to know why rapeseed is important and the stuff that are in rapeseed, because it's not all good. Some of the bad stuff include the high levels of uric acid, which is really bad for your cardiac muscle. And since it's so bad, there's actually a limit on how much uric acid can be put into the canola oil. It's low in the saturated fat, and it contains omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids. It reduces low-density lipoprotein, and it also reduces your cholesterol level, which is the same thing that Honey Nut Cheerios does. Next off, finally, I'm going to talk to you guys more about the social aspects, which include the religious, cultural, historical, and political aspects. Start off the religious and cultural aspects of rapeseed. People use this as a remedy for cancer. Some people use it for massage and oil baths, and others use it for medicinal reasons. It's for like when you have a chronic cough, or when you want to strengthen your skin and to keep it cool and healthy. Some historical facts about rapeseed is it's the 2nd largest oilseed crop after soybeans, and the 3rd largest vegetable oil after soybean oil and palm oil. Rapeseed became increasingly popular due to the use of canola, which is a generic variation of rapeseed and was developed in Canada. Rapeseed actually got really popular when people realized that canola was safe for consumers to eat, because there was some problems with that in the past. Finally, I'm going to tell you guys about the political aspects of rapeseed, which is an article that I found and was dated in August of this year, so it's actually pretty recent. It was talking about how India and vegetable oil India's vegetable oil industry urged China to lift a ban on imports of Indian rapeseed meal because China claimed that the shipments from India and Malaysia contain hazardous chemicals such as the malachite green. So there you go, you guys. Rapeseed at its finest. Thank you guys for tuning in. Have a great day.